Today's video regarding HP DeskJet Plus 4132 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the setup of this printer using your iPhone. Now the first step is to switch on the printer so that we can enter this printer into the setup mode. Press the power button and switch on the printer. Now once your printer is on, we go on the display panel. Now we have to enter the printer into the setup mode. For that we need to press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button for 3 seconds. So 1, 2 and 3. Release the buttons. You will see the power button starts to flash and it will stay on, and the wireless button will start to flash. That means our printer is into the setup mode. Now go to your iPhone. Now go to your iPhone and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store. So in the HP Smart app we need to add the printer. So click on the Add Printer button. It will display the name of the available printers here. If you don't see that, just click on the Setup a new printer. Here it says to get started, connect to Wi-Fi, HP Setup. So go to the Wi-Fi setting and look for the HP Setup here. As we can see, click on that and we'll see it is connected now. Go back and open the HP Smart app. The next thing is to turn on the Bluetooth for setup. So go back and open the Bluetooth. Switch on the Bluetooth. Just go back to the HP Smart app. So if it is unable to connect automatically, then you will see the list of the available networks. Click on that and here we have to enter the password manually. So once you enter the password, click on the continue. And you will see there are 4 stages of the setup process. Just follow all the instructions. Press the information button on the printer. Click on the join button. On the next screen you will see the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click on the continue button and click on the continue again. If you want, you can join for the HP account, or you can sign in if you have already that, or you can just skip the account warranty and activation. Here we see the setup is complete, and if you want you can print this page for the confirmation, or you can skip printing page. Next stage is to send the link to other devices, or you can skip it. So setup is complete, we are all done. So once you click here, you should be able to see the printer in the app on the top here. Now here we will see it is available in the app and we can do the wireless printing and scanning. Now I'll show you how to do print from an email. So open the email you want to print and the document. So this is the document I'm going to print from the email, and here we see the share button. Click on that. Once you open the share button, click on the print, and here you should be able to see the printer. So click on the printer button, select the printer and then click on the print button and just wait for the printer to print the page. We can print through the email like this, and if you want you can just print from other documents, and you can also do the scanning. Thanks for watching.